I can full tilt
That's
this
crazy
thing,
low, man.
Full tilt this thing all day at 20 hertz. It doesn't care.
Wow.
And that's Walmart amps.
Pretty impressive, man. Yeah. Windows up for info. What's up, man? What's your name? What else in here?
My name is Brendan. I got 4 Sundown E-Series 15s and 4 2500 power acoustic amps and about 5 lead-acid batteries.
Okay.
This is stock 60 amp alternator.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
6th order?
Yep.
What were the tunings on it?
I think it's like 30 on the back and about 45 on the front. I'm not for sure.
Did you, so you shrunk the back end?
Yeah, I did have it way, it was way too big.
It was? Okay.
Yeah, and that helped a lot with my bandwidth.
Did you ever meter it?
I just did. I did a 148.7 on 1,056 watts at 30 hertz.
A little over, okay, that's pretty good then. You happy with it?
Oh yeah, I'm definitely happy with
awesome.
it. For what I have in it, yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. No, I can full tilt
that's
this
crazy
thing,
low, man.
Full tilt this thing all day at 20 hertz. It doesn't care.
Wow.
And that's Walmart amps.
Pretty impressive, man. Yeah. Appreciate it. Can I see the amp?
It's pretty messy back there.
That's all right. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Awesome. All right. Is it louder with the windows up or down in the back?
Down.
Down, really? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Boys giggle and girls giggle.
subs aren't moving really.
Yeah, it's new.
This one. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. I just wanted to make sure you knew. Okay.
Yeah.
If I could
shoulder.
shoulder.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.